some basic techniques you can do right now. Grab your staff. You're gonna hold it right in the middle. You're gonna turn it out, up and down. Your palm goes out, comes back up, just side to side. Slow as smooth, smooth as fast. Keep your stomach up and in. Drop your chin. Make sure your feet are under your body. You're gonna do this for 30 seconds to warm up the right hand first. Then put it into your left hand, pinky to pinky, palms come up, and you're turning it out and back. You wanna do this to get the muscles strong. You wanna do this to warm up the joints so you can stay safe from injury. You're gonna do this for 30 seconds, put it back into the first hand, take the hand to the side of the body and do the same motion. Now you're activating the muscles in the back and the side of your shoulder, building more muscle, more strength, more power, more control over your bow. When you do bow staff beginner training, you always want to start with a proper warm-up, put in the other hand to stay safe from injury. This is also where your muscle is built, your strength, your power, coordination. 30 seconds here, you're gonna go one more time, but you're gonna put it straight up over your head, and you're gonna go doing the same thing, just side to side, but up over your head. And again, this is gonna hit your shoulders in a different way. This is gonna make you very powerful when you start to use your bow staff, especially if you use your bow for self-defense. After 30 seconds here, put in the other hand, and another 30 seconds. After that basic warm-up, you're gonna go from one hand, turning it out, into the other hand, side to side, slow and smooth, smooth as fast, take your time. If you enjoy bow staff training, this is your type of thing, please give me a thumbs up so I can make more of these. Let me know in the comment section specifically what you would like to work on. I'll make a video just for you. Going side to side, turning it out, slow at first, gradually speeding up. You're gonna feel tension, stress on those muscles. As you speed up, you're gonna get stronger, faster when you get out of your comfort zone. But go slow at first, especially if you're using a heavy staff like this one. This is a self-defense staff, which is a little bit heavier than most. After you've gone side to side, I want you to put it into your right hand, put your right foot forward, and you're gonna go into a figure eight. I started to do bow staff training, or bow training, when I was young. I started martial arts when I was a kid. I started martial arts weapons as a kid. I've learned from multiple different instructors over a long period of time, a lot of different styles. Japanese or Okinawan style, Korean style, Chinese style. And lately, I've been really fascinated and excited to learn Indian styles, the silambam. Bring it into the other hand, go from side to side. Again, stomach up and in, abs tight, drop your chin, keep your other hand up. You're just carving a sideways figure eight with your thumb, going from one side to the other one. Hello to everybody who's here. If I don't stop to read all the comments, I want you to get a good workout from this one. After you've done that for 30 seconds, you're now gonna go from one hand into the other one, and you take it by taking the staff across your body. This is your left hand. When you come to your right, you're gonna turn your palm up to face the sky. Your other hand comes behind it, the pinkies, the little fingers touch. You take it in that hand, stepping forward. This is your right hand, right foot forward. And then another figure eight over here. And again, you just slow that down. It's a circle on this side and a circle on this side. Your stomach's tight, your chin drops. That'll help you speed it up. Just move your hips and your shoulders. Now, since it's in your right hand, I want you to reverse your spin. Pull it with the right hand and pull it with the left hand. So we're gonna pull it up and pull it back. From one side to the other side. It's the exact same motion you were just doing. You were doing this forward spin. Now you reverse it and you're pulling it up. Always keep your other hand up. Once you've done this for 30 seconds, you're going to change now on the same side of the body. This is your right hand, your left hand comes across. pinkies come together. Your left hand pulls it up and out. Slow as smooth, smooth as fast. Take your time. Allow yourself to drop it and then pick it up, or to hit yourself. Keep going. You won't grow if you don't get out of your comfort zone. It's okay to mess it up. It's not as important as other things in life. So keep it in perspective. Keep your ego out of the way. Allow yourself to learn. Once you've done this for 30 seconds, go back into the right hand. And I want you to switch back to your forward spin. And when it comes to your left side, take it. Spin a couple times. When it comes to your right side, take it. And again, when you are in the forward spin, you're taking it behind the staff on the opposite side of the body. You can start to go to every spin. Add a little step forward, a little step back. If you're outside, you can move forward more, move back more, but at least take a step forward and back, get your body starting to move. Your feet are under you. Don't worry too much about stance yet. Just stand up and move. After you've done that for 30 seconds, bring it to a stop. You can bring it to a stop by letting it hit your forearm or come up under your arm to stop it. Then you're going to reverse that spin. And when it's on the same side of your body, you're going to take your hand across and come to the front. Hello to everybody who's here. I see your comments coming in. I want to keep the flow. I do appreciate you being here, though, and I really appreciate your comments. In addition to the chat, if you could put a comment below in the comment section, later I can come back and properly say hello. You're coming side to side, your stomach's up and in, abs tight. Always keep the other hand up. Don't let it dangle down there. You're going to bring it in from one hand to the other hand. And again, it's just in front. You're coming in front and in front. There's your small step. Forward. Bow staff training for beginners is super simple. You want to get good at doing the basics and doing the basics really well. Mastery of the basics will make you a master of the bow staff. Also knowing that it's not called a bow staff will make you a master of the bow staff. Bow means staff, so saying bow staff is redundant. But it helps the algorithm know what I'm talking about, so that when people search for it, they can find it better. That's why I do it. Now, from here, you're going to take it back into the overhead position. You're going to turn it out and go from one side over to the other side. Overhead spin. There are different ways to do an overhead spin. You can do a palm spin. Let's see if I can do that without dropping it. There we go. Or a palm spin on the other hand. You can do palm spin in either direction. Or you can do what's called a helicopter spin, which is basically the same as a butterfly spin, just over your head. But right now, start with this, and then once it's in your right hand, you're going to take it behind your back, bring it out, and whip it back up over your head. So you're going behind the back, over the head, and then you're going to change and go in the other direction. Watch what I'm doing when I turn around behind my back. My thumbs are both facing up. That's all it is. So when you go behind the back, you just bring your hands together. The hand that takes it goes under it, brings it up again, over the head, behind the back, over the head, behind the back, go in one direction, go the other direction. You're gonna feel a great stretch in your shoulder. This is really good for shoulder flexibility. You'll see that as you do it, you'll start here, if you're not very flexible. After you've been doing it for a while, you'll increase your flexibility and your strength, your ability to go back. Those two things will happen. Now you're gonna wrist roll over one and over the back. One caution about all these spins. These spins are for building strength, speed, power, coordination. It's cross training for self-defense, but they're not self-defense. Self-defense is standing behind your bow. You point it and then you thrust and you strike and strike and strike and shove That's how you defend yourself with a bow. There's also blocking motions that you can do. There are twisting motions you can do. That's self-defense. When you spin with me, you are practicing proprioception and spatial awareness, timing and distance. You're building strength. You're getting a good feel for how your stick moves through space and time. So it's very valuable, but it's separate. I always want to make sure you understand. Someone's coming at you. Don't spin your staff at them. Someone's coming at you, stand your ground, and then strike, and strike, and strike. And keep it simple. So we went over the back of the hand, and over to the back of the hand. This is your pinky side. All you do is open your hand. You turn it. You want to slow it way down at the beginning until you get this wrist roll. And then bring it back, wrist roll, going backward and forward. Once you get that motion, put it in the other hand. I was wrist rolling before I had it. And you're going to drop it. You'll drop it a lot, especially on this one. If you're a beginner, as a beginner, allow yourself to drop it. That's all right. The only problem is if you don't pick it up. If you drop it and you let your ego get the best of you and you get mad at yourself, which is silly, you weren't born doing this. You have to learn it. So allow yourself to learn it. Brooklyn says, how many weapons do I know? I've never counted. It's a lot. There's a whole corner of them over there. My favorite is the bow, though. I can answer that. This has been my favorite since I was a kid. This is the one that I've trained with the longest. This one and nunchucks probably are the two that I've spent the most time with. And then the third would have to be the sword. So you're going to go to one side, come over the back of your hand, other side of the back of the hand. For practicality, my favorite is a walking cane. For self-defense. For the cool factor, it have to be like nunchucks, maybe a chain whip, something like that. Put in the comment section below, what is your favorite weapon? I'd like to see that. And not only what is your favorite weapon, but who uses it the best that you know of. Put yourself in if you think it's yourself. Or maybe it's a Ninja Turtle, or maybe you're a Naruto fan, it's Mighty Guy, or maybe you're a Star Wars fan and it's Darth Maul, or Japanese, maybe Bruce Lee. Maybe you're a traditional sword fan. So you're just doing wrist roll to wrist roll from one side of the body to the other side of the body, and then a finger roll. And the finger rolls are for the flexibility and the strength and the health of your forearm and your wrist. This is extension and flexion, extension and flexion. So this works both of the sets of muscles that open and close your hand. This will stretch them out, get them really strong. This will take away any elbow pain you get from using your martial arts staff. Put in the other hand, spin it the other way. Slow as smooth, smooth as fast. When this is elusive for you, when it's hard, at the beginning you can slow it down and use the other hand to help it get around like that. And then once you get it out of the way and go for it.